Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue with our topic about Austrian accents. In the last video, we covered 9 different sounds that are important when it comes to Austrian German. In this tutorial, we focus on 5 advanced aspects of Austrian accents. For example, we deal with sounds like Rl, Ur, St, Sp, and Ch. You find those sounds in words like Glaserl, guad, stark, sprung, Buch. If you want to know more about typical sounds in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. Here we go. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know 5 advanced sounds that are very common when it comes to Austrian accents. First of all, let's start with the sound Rl. The sound Rl is mainly used as an ending for the diminutive form. For example, Glaserl. Glaserl is the tiny form of glass, which meaning is the same as in English. A Glaserl Wein could be translated as a small glass of wine. In Germany, the word Gläschen is used instead of the Austrian word Glaserl. We find the ending Rl in words like Bacherl, small creek, Katzerl, small cat, or Pickerl, small sticker. The pronunciation may differ from region to region. You will come across Rl, 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 or with a dark L, Rl, like the Meidlinger L in Vienna. The second sound we take a look at today is Ur. Ur. This is mainly relevant for the spoken form. The written form looks quite different. The simple sound Ur has 2 meanings by itself. First, it is Uhr, which is watch in English. Second, it is used for saying very. This goes especially for the region around Vienna. Very good may sound like urgut. By the way, gut is a word with the same sound, using various dialects in Austria. Further examples with Ur would be Hurt, hat, Wurst, sausage, Wursten, calf. The third and fourth sound on our list are very similar. Therefore, we can analyze them together. The sound st can be pronounced as st, but in most cases it is pronounced as st. For example, you can say Statistik or Statistik, Standard or Standard. But Sturm, storm, as the current football champion Sturm Graz, or Stern, star, is used with the sound sh, st, Sturm, Stern, and so on. When it comes to the sound sp, most of the time the sound sh is used, as we see in Spanien, Spain, springen, jump, Sport, sports. Our fifth sound, ch, combines actually 2 sounds if we take it exactly. If the word starts with ch, we pronounce it as ka, like China, China, Chemie, chemistry, Christbaum, Christmas tree. If we find the combination ch within or at the end of the word, we say ch, ch. For instance, Buch, book, Bacherl, small creek, Suche, search. As in so many cases, you will find different pronunciations in Austria when it comes to ch. Instead of ch, you will come across ch in Tyrol, for instance. In contrast, ch may be left out in some regions in Carinthia. For example, ridiculous may sound lächerlich instead of lächerlich. Summing up, we can repeat the various sounds we have covered today one more time and find some words with them. Erl, Ur, Sp, St, Kach. For practicing, we can combine various sounds. Bacherl, spannend, Strauch, Krachel, Sprüchel. All in all, I hope I could give you an insight into relevant sounds of Austrian accents. If you want to know more about Austrian accents, please take a look at my YouTube podcast about Austrian accents and dialects. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.